What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from a brand new location today, Lakemont Park. We've never been here before. It's in Altoona, Pennsylvania. We've got some really awesome old rides. We're going to check it out. Let's go. Alright, and as you can see, here's the park map. It's not a very big place. We can see a couple of the roller coasters right there, Skyliner. But the big one I'm interested in is Leap the Dips, which is one of the oldest, if not the oldest roller coaster still operating in the entire world. Alright, so we're in free parking, which is kind of nice. We have a mini golf course over here, batting cages, and it's not very busy right now. Alright, here's the pricing for the tickets. We can see an all-day unlimited ride and play pass, $17.95. They do have an evening unlimited ride pass, which is 5 p.m. to close, for $15.95. They do have individual ride tickets as well, as we can see. Universal tickets, $1. Go-karts, roller coasters, and the likes. Alright, here's one of these smaller attractions for kids. We can see the 4x4 mini monster trucks right here. There's a little course and everything. Alright, so now we have some old-timey cars. We see 10 Lizzie antique autos. Let's go try it right now. Alright, here we go. Next up is the motorway go-karts, and I think I'm going to be the only one on here. Let's do it. Yeehaw! Alright, so our first roller coaster of the day that we're riding is called Skyliner. Let's do this. And here we are in the station. You can see the train right there. when the wheels are still spinning when you hit the brake run. Alright, so we just had a chance to do Skyliner, that wooden roller coaster back there. To be honest, for its age, really good ride. Drop isn't bad. It does have buzz bars, which is kind of nice, and it gives you a ton of room for airtime, which you're going to get a lot of after that first drop. The first hill you go up, man, I was out of the seat. Loved it. Scale of 1 to 10 on that one, I'm going to probably give it an 8, maybe an 8.5. I thought it was great. Don't get me wrong. I mean, old wooden coasters usually beat me to heck. This one didn't. I like it. So here we can see the Little Leaper Kiddie coaster. Unfortunately, you must be younger than 12 years old to ride. No adults permitted. So that's going to be unfortunately not a credit I can do. Again, not exactly busy here today. I know a lot of the locals don't know that this place is open just yet, after all the craziness that's been going on in the world. But we're here, no waits, and I'm okay with that. Alrighty, so we're about to do our next roller coaster, the oldest one in the world, Leap the Dips. And as you can see, it's an Ace roller coaster landmark right there, dedicated May of 2002. If you didn't believe me, see, National Historic Landmark, the world's oldest roller coaster, built in 1902.
seatbelt, no up stop wheel, no nothing.
Woo!
That was awesome.
Another small attraction over here, Lake Monster paddle boats. You can see right here. Little lake right there. Let's walk up and take a look at the paddle boats themselves. And there they are. Yet another family attraction here, the CP Huntington train. As you can see it right there, runs with the motor. Love it. Treehouse Water Park. So the place does have some slides, but unfortunately closed for the season, as we can see right there on the sign. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Lakemont Park. A smaller park, but man was that a ton of fun. Great family entertainment, rides are awesome. Leap the Dips, oldest roller coaster in the world, and it runs that well, amazing. Staff incredibly friendly, Food is good. I had a blast. If you ever get a chance to come out here, please do it. We're gonna have more updates from here, hopefully. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.